Hi everyone, I am Kladi, an award-winning Italian designer, author, and speaker based in Manchester, UK. I'm so excited to join Adobe Live on May 31st at 10:30 a.m. until 12 p.m. Pacific time for an exciting session in InDesign. I will show you how to create a digital portfolio. We're going to dive in so many features. Of course, we're going to be starting from the build of the layout, but then I will show you also how to add hyperlinks, how to publish and share your link online. So your portfolio will be at your fingertips, ready to be shared at any time. If you have any questions, what are you waiting for? Just join the chat. I look forward to see you there. Make sure to ask any question you might need. Which projects are better to display on your portfolio? How many projects? And any other question you may have. I look forward to see you in the chat and to reply to everybody during the stream. So I will see you very soon on Adobe Live. Ciao!